So, time check.
Time check brought to you by
Time check is
Holiday Inn Hotel. Brought to you by Holiday Inn Hotel.
What time is it? It's 9.
It's 8:49.
8:49 a.m. Monday morning, and the weather is so good. Sunny Monday morning. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo sa ating next na activity, which is ang Canal Cruise. This is supposed to be our activity last night, guys. Pero, nawala kami, naiwan kami ng boat kasi medyo hindi namin nakita agad yung location ng boat. So, that's why pinarebook na lang namin siya for the following day. Kasi they don't refund. So, sayang naman yung binayad namin. So, pinarebook ko na lang siya ng morning on our last day. Ayan, nakikita natin. Meron silang tram dyan. So, within this area, yung malaking building na yon, that's the Amsterdam Central, kung saan yung lahat ng mga trains ay naandyan. And, ayan, nandito na tayo sa Canal Cruise. And then, I realized na matchy-matchy ako sa boat. Ayan, ang color ng aking damit ay kamatch ng boat. So, para tayong staff ng Canal Cruise. So, wala tayong extrang damit. So, panindigan natin ang kakulay tayo ng ating boat. Alright, let's go! So, pipila na tayo papasok sa ating boat. Ayan po ang ating ticket inspector. At i-check niya ang ating mga tickets. Ticket for 2. So, for this morning, guys, hindi siya masyadong madaming tao. Kasi nga, ang mga tao dito sa Europe, mga late sila gumigising. So, iilan lang yung mga passenger on this morning. Pero, on that evening, super fully booked siya, kaya hindi kami makasingit on the next trip. Kaya wala talagang available sa evening kasi fully booked sila. Kasi nga yung mga tao dito gising sila sa gabi. So sa morning, so matagal silang gumigising pag morning. That's why kukonti lang yung mga nakasama namin sa boat. So hindi kami puno. So syempre dito tayo pepesto sa natural light. Merong natural light para maganda sa picture and of course ating video. Ayan. And of course, open yung boat dyan na area. So, meron tayong stick on our camera. So, pwede natin siyang ilabas to take some beautiful photo and video na kuhang-kuha ang ating surroundings ng Amsterdam Canal. So, ayan nga, meron silang ibibigay na headset. Ayan, so isasaksak mo siya dyan. Kung saan, merong automatic na pagsasalita. Yung, kumbaga, tour guide ng boat na yan. So, mag-explain siya kung ano yung mga dinadaanan ninyo. And, ayun. So, may choice siya ng language. You can choose English or Dutch. So, yun ang dalawang choices. So, if you will ask if this Canal Cruise is worth it. So, if you visit Amsterdam, you should try the Canal Cruise, guys. Kasi, dito, ma-explain nila. At makikita mo ang iba't ibang design ng kanilang houses, which is para lang siyang painting kung makikita mo siya sa Canal Cruise. So, it's a must talaga na i-try niyo ang Canal Cruise. So, as we begin, guys, ayan, nakikita natin ang mga malalaking mga cruise ship din yan siya. So, ito daw yung center ng mga cruise ship. Kasi isa siyang parang malaking kanal siya na part dito. So, connected din yata ito siya sa ocean. So, I'm not so sure kung anong ocean siya. So, ang ano dito is ginawa nila tong kanal as part of their trading system before ang mga no mga panahong yon. So ayan, pinapasok na natin ang canal cruise, ang kanal ng Amsterdam. So yung tubig nila dito sa kanilang kanal, hindi siya masyadong clear, but it's not also smelly. So hindi naman siya mabaho, and hindi lang siya ganun kalinis na clear ang water, but as to kalinisan na walang basura, malinis talaga yung yung kanal nila. So, ayun na nga, nagumpisa ng ating paglalakbay dito sa kanilang canal cruise. Ayan, so, makikita mo yung mga iba't ibang disenyo ng kanilang mga bahay. Actually, yung mga amazing lang yung mga bahay nila kasi very old na yung mga nila, no, na preserve talaga nila yung kanilang mga architecture. Ayan, so makikita mo, di ba? Para lang siyang painting, guys, na alam mo yun, flat na flat, and nakaka-amaze yung design. Very unusual yung design ng mga bahay nila. And marami siyang mga klase-klaseng part ng kanilang bahay. So, may mga portion na para sa mga mayayaman and all. And also, kung makikita ninyo sa malapitan, ang bahay nila ay merong mga details. Yung mga bintana, as to colors, as to anong ginagamit nilang materials. So, meron talaga silang mga specific na mga design, and mag-a-identify if this house belongs to yung mga mayayaman or may mga story yung mga bahay nila dito. If you can notice nga pala, prominent ang color orange dito sa Amsterdam. It's because ang color ng Amsterdam is orange. So, yun yung national color nila. Yun yung color of Amsterdam. Ayan. So, if you can see also, guys, merong parang mga houses or mga boats dyan sa gilid ng kanal. That's actually, merong mga naka-rent dyan na mga tourists. So, pwede siyang i-rent out. It's like an accommodation or a hotel. So, if gusto ninyo na pagising ninyo ay nasa water kayo, ayan, so pwede ninyo i-rent out yan. But as to how much, so I'm not so sure. So maybe that's kinda expensive kasi parang unique siya na experience na nasa within the canal kayo na nag-stay. So ayan. So, Amsterdam is called the city of bicycles kasi sobrang daming mga bikes dito. Meron silang specific lanes for the bikes itself. So, mas marami pa yatang bisikleta dito kaysa sa mga sasakyan. So, what you are seeing, guys, ito yung clock tower nila. Meron silang clock tower sa center ng Amsterdam Central. This area is called Amsterdam Central. So, naandyan ang clock tower nila na I'm not so sure kung Lazy Jack ba yung tawag dyan. I-google nyo na lang, I'm not so sure. So, as you can see, that boat also, ayan, so accommodation yan siya. Merong mga nakastay dyan. It's like an hotel as well. So, yung mga buildings, if you can see, iba-iba yung mga design ng kanilang buildings, and iba-iba yung color, and iba-iba yung mga materials na ginagamit nila dyan. So, each of that piece of color or the design of the window, meron pong story ang mga yan. So, it's so amazing that yung mga tao dito sa Amsterdam, they were able to preserve their, their houses na sobrang luma na, but you can still see the very old houses that they are using before. So what I like most about, this is my second time here in Amsterdam, pero hindi ako nananawa na bumalik dito kasi it's a beautiful country and sobrang laid back lang siya, sobrang simple lang, yung mga tao chill lang yung mga tao dito, and it's safe. It's safe na mag-roam around ka kahit mag-isa kang mag-roam around. You can feel na safe ka. Merong isang street dito sa within the canal area na tinatawag nila na red light district, which is during night time, ito yung pinaka-busy na street and pinakamadaming tao na makikita mo, na sobrang dami talaga ng tao. And you can notice na this is why it is called red light district, kasi the surroundings ay red yung lights nila. So ayun guys, just enjoy the view, just enjoy the rest of the video na naandyan, na makikita ninyo ang kagandahan ng Amsterdam, mga buildings nila, and sobrang ganda ng experience na to. So if you will ask me if you go to Amsterdam, if Canal Cruise is worth it, you should try it, and para makompleto yung tour ninyo sa Amsterdam.
Tried to show me how to live when I was numb. And why did I never listen when you would listen to me and make the wrong decisions, resisting the help I need? Oh, I know I could have done better. Oh, to keep you next to me. They say to blame it on the weather. Oh, hell no. I could have done better. 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 To keep you next to me.
Tried to give the best of it, but it was coming undone. Oh, every choice filled with regret, till the night we were done. So sick and tired of trying to listen, but feeling so misunderstood. Every word and action misfigured by promises no good.
And why did I never listen when you would listen to me and make the wrong decisions, resisting the help I need? Oh, I know I could have done better. Oh, to keep you next to me. They say to blame it on the weather. Oh, hell no. I could have done better. 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 To keep you next to me. I could have done Oh, I know I could have done better. Oh, to keep you next to me. They say to blame it on the weather. Oh, hell no. I could have done better. Gave you all that I could give, but it wasn't enough.